Close your eyes, or read this first, then pretend you did. Imagine waking to Tuscan stone or Estonian pine. No screaming buffet, no yoga influencers. It's just you, espresso, and a horizon that whispers, "This is our secret." European boutique hotels, luxury hidden in plain sight, 2026 best-kept whispers. High achievers want unique, but the best is often bland, lobby by lobby. You crave soul, European elegance, quiet luxury where breathing is the fanciest thing you do. 2026's travel landscape is quietly shifting, away from loud, toward the hush. Let's unearth hidden gems before everyone with a selfie stick finds them. Modern trip planning, scrolling headaches, 20 tabs, existential dread. Choosing mainstream luxury resorts makes you a number, not a name. Pivot to boutique. 10 rooms, not 500. Owner knows your wine's vineyard. Architects design buildings to hug the landscape, not wrestle it into submission. Estonia's Maidla Nature Resort. Glass, wood, and more birds than Wi-Fi bars. Digital detox? Here, your only notification is a bird's melodious tweet. Slovenia and Andorra. Alpine luxury without the French ski traffic jams. Villa Moor, wood, stone, and you feeling like a tasteful billionaire's guest. La Vela Negra Mountain Lodge, roaring fire, social vibes, 5-star comfort. Siena's Palazzo Sozzini Malavolti, frescoes, caves, and zero room for the commonplace. Hidden Italian gardens, steps from crowds, centuries breathing quietly underfoot. Want secrets? Find a honeymoon planner with access to the ungoogleable inventory. Greece without crowds, Amethyst Saline near Pagonia, blue seas, terrace quietude. Slow Mediterranean travel, buildings sink into landscape, guests sink into tranquility. Ambitious achiever litmus test, privacy, place, curated experience, restoration. Check 3, you're ready. See the luxury escape crafts legacies, not just bookings, moments, not migraines. We specialize in the ungoogleable, arranging pre-public openings and secret transfers. Signature glow, from stressed exec to recharged visionary thanks to tiny, luxurious details. Boutiques, secret family weapons. Staff knows your kids and their dessert preferences. No chaos, no kids lost in crowds, just peaceful family bonding. 2026 exclusive hotels, limited editions, not mass-produced travel cliches. Escape the standard. Find a destination reflecting your glow-worthy taste. Skip the 20-tab misery. Penny's got your stress-free consultation covered. Get that glow. Your hidden gem waits just past the generic.